don't know, for whatever reason, a lot of people don't know about finance. They don't know about personal finance, they don't know about institutional finance, they don't know about money. And money is what makes the world go around. So I think we all need to know this. It's funny that I decided that I was going to start learning how to trade with the controversial inner circle traders. I did start learning about support and resistance, or about basing candles and XYZ ABC, but it's like my brain is seeing the charts in a couple of different ways that is not beneficial. It's interesting because he's still using terms that he expects you to know as if you've been trading, even though the mentorship is for someone who hasn't been trading. So I think it's a great time just to begin this journey, because his son is doing it right now too. So like, I'm learning with his son. I feel like I'm his daughter, and I can't do anything else, or else I'll become confused. Hi, hope you're doing well. It's Yaz, and I'm documenting my journey to trying to become profitable via day trading. I don't know. I'm having a realization that I have a lot of room to grow, and that is perfectly fine. But I'm still getting into the cadence of making sure that I'm learning and upskilling, and I'm not just doing the same thing when I show up to the market every day. I need to be consistent in learning. And it's funny that I decided that I was going to start learning how to trade with the controversial inner circle trader, and he just started a new mentorship series because his son is interested in learning ICT as well. I love that he's using NASDAQ futures because that is what I use to trade, and he's giving really great advice. But it's interesting because he's still using terms that he expects you to know as if you've been trading, even though the mentorship is for someone who hasn't been trading. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna focus on the 2016 mentorship and watch every single video for the 2024 mentorship. Those are gonna be the two things that I focus on to make sure that I'm upskilling and that I'm learning. And I can't do anything else, or else I'll become confused, because I did start learning about support and resistance, or about basing candles and XYZ ABC, and they're related to what inner circle trader refers to and he's teaching. But it's like my brain is seeing the charts in a couple of different ways that is not beneficial. What else I'm gonna do to make sure that I become consistent is I'm gonna focus on one trading combine, and I have my express funded account. So I'm gonna focus on the next combine, and then once I pass that, then I'm gonna start trading in both of the XFAs again with topstep. But yeah, I'm just realizing that there's a lot for me to learn, and I guess this is what people don't understand about trading, is that it sounds easy, it kind of looks easy, but like, you're mastering not only the skill set, you're mastering understanding how price action moves, and you're also mastering your psychology, you're mastering your mindset. I think in every other area of life, you're supposed to be right about 99% of the time. I remember in my professional career, I had to be right almost all the time. If I was being wrong, I was a nuisance, and I was I was doing a disservice to my client. I was doing a disservice to my team if I was wrong. But in trading, it's completely different in that you have to expect being incorrect, but you need to be, when you are correct, you need to be really right. And when you are not correct, you need to make sure you quickly fix that and move forward. And I think, again, trading is like a microcosm of life, because the reality of it is we're never always going to be right. We're not going to always be right. We're going to have moments where we're not right, and that is okay. And in corporate America, the I mean, I guess it's different also because you're a retail trader versus an institutional trader. Because an institutional trader, I mean, they have, goals in terms of like percent returns year over year, and you're measured on that. And there's different kinds of investing and trading and things like that, but within the career of a trader, you have to make space to be incorrect. I feel like it's like you have to be okay with not being right, and that is what kind of tripped me up over the last 3 months and stunted my growth, I think, in addition to a lot of other things. But all that to say, I don't have the like energy and motivation of, oh, I'm just starting, this is an exciting journey. No, like, it's becoming a little bit more real. It's becoming a reality that day in, day out, I should be looking at price action, trying to anticipate price change. I should be trying to anticipate the direction in which the price changes, and figure out why I'm right, why I'm wrong, and then after that, begin entering and exiting trades as needed. And the thing is, like, a lot of people traded for a lot in a lot of different ways. People use indicators. People use pivot levels. People use support and resistance, basing candles, the depth of market, like all of these different tools to make decisions. And that's the issue with trading, is that you can get really confused. You can get really confused about what to even use to trade, because everybody does it so differently. And a lot of people are profitable and a lot of people are not profitable. And it really depends on your personality and what works for you. So it's kind of like a self-discovery process, along with a skill set development process. So I feel like I enjoy the way that ICT explains the holistic perspective of what's happening in the market. He understands like the cycle of price action over the course of 24 hours. I think it's a great time to begin this journey, because his son is doing it right now too. So like, I'm learning with his son. I feel like I'm his daughter, and I'm not, but I feel like that's like, he wants us to understand that he's doing this because his son wants to do it, not because of anything else. So yeah, basically, I'm readjusting some things in the way that I'm pursuing profitability via day trading, and I'm going to do my best to progress every single day. And yeah, we'll see what happens. But just wanted to give a quick update about how I'm learning how to day trade and what resources that I'm using. And practically speaking, when I'm running the 2016 mentorship, I am taking notes on a Word document. And for the 2024 mentorship, I'm also taking notes on a Word document. And I watched the 2024 mentorship over and over and over again, just to make sure that I understood what he was saying. On top of the 2016, mentorship, I have been slacking in terms of progressing in that, and so yeah, I'm gonna focus on developing the skill set, developing the vocabulary, developing the perspective to see how price moves and what I think is going to happen and why it is or why it's not. So just wanted to give 2 cents about that. I hope you're doing well. Please let me know how you're learning how to day trade. If you love ICT, if you hate ICT, if you're only using moving averages, if you're only using XYZ, ABC, just let me know what you're doing. And I guess it would be just great if we support each other, because trading is not the easiest, most straightforward thing. And I don't know, for whatever reason, a lot of people don't know about finance. They don't know about personal finance. They don't know about institutional finance. They don't know about money. And money is what makes the world go around. So I think we all need to know this. And so, yeah, let me know what you think, how you're feeling, what's going on. And until next time, I just want to make sure that this is not going to stop recording or to be slow, because I don't want to re-record this. Okay, it's better now. I think it was just freaking out because I was sharing my screen with my iPad. Okay, Lord, please make this thing. Like, please, let this work. Well, good morning. Happy day. So,